AG Labs, my name is Ben. Good morning, hello, and welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. Today in the morning we just start by an Samsung A520f, and it was mailed in because the charging port doesn't work anymore. So let's see. On this device I did several repairs on that model, not on this device because it's a complete new incoming device, but I did this repair a lot of times already. So let's see what's the issue here. So I already disassembled the back cover, so without doing any damages, and after that we can just go and take out the screws. Yesterday we did take online 3 videos. I hope you like it. Andy did 2 videos, I did 1 for you. So I think at the moment we really have a large output on German and English videos, and we are planning new things at the moment. So stay tuned, there will come a lot of interesting new things for you. By the way, at the weekend we have the next date for the Bottle Repair School Germany Extended 1 module. So a lot of theory, and day 2 is X day. So we do iPhone X with our students. At the moment we have 1 free place. That's not normal for the Bottle Repair School, because normally the places are sold long time before. This training we set it up online about 3 weeks ago, and the first 3 places were sold within 24 hours, but we didn't sold the 4th one. So if you want to come at the weekend, it's no problem, we have 1 free seat. Just come in and have fun and learn a lot. Okay, just message me for more. It's a German group, German training, so think on only German language. Okay, so let's take out the board and see how we can fix this problem. No charge at the Samsung Galaxy A520f. Get out all the screws. The front cam on the top. And can we take it out, the board already? Oh, we have something connected here, no problem. And now we can take it out. So the problem is always on these Samsung Logic boards with this USB-C port, that a lot of pads normally just go away. They lose from the board, and we have to set a lot of jumpers for repair this thing. We will have a look under the microscope and see how fast we can get that. So what I want to show you, in this case it doesn't look as bad as all, but I see that the port is broken. But normally if we now take out the USB-C port, a lot of pads will go. You see, this pad already is loose on the board. This one too. Okay, let's take this out. We use some flux, and I have to turn on the dust absorber. 1 second. And we take out the charging port, the USB-C port. Just by using some hot air. And that's a pretty nice result, because normally a lot of these pads just go away. Here we see it was just one loose pad. Normally you see 10 pads just going away. Okay, now I just clean the pads by using the wick and some solder paste. Perhaps now the pads go away. Doesn't look as bad as all. Really, that's a really nice result. I thought, okay, we have to do a lot of jumper work here, because normally really a lot of them pads just go away if you do this work, or they are loose before. But in this case, it just looks brilliant. Looks really good. I thought I can do 20 jumpers now or things like that, but okay. I have to take a new plate for my knife. See, it's really bad. Just a little point of flux. (183) paste onto my tip. A little point of solder, and then we can take a big jumper. So I don't need small jumper wire for doing that. We can use big jumper wire like this. See, that's looking good. I only have to take a new knife, because that knife is really done, that plate. Okay. Only one jumper. Oh, I wanted to do more. Man, really, that's not a long video. I thought it would be much more. So, but now I can do some. Okay. Some work here. So I just connected the wire completely. Now we can just take some UV. Getting the light on it. Waiting a short time. While that, I just take my new charging port, my new USB-C port. Okay. And because we have a lot of pads here, I just want to get solder on the pads and then soldering down the port by using hot air. Okay. Okay, in that way, we need it in that way, okay. Waiting a short time. Okay, that's enough for the first. And now we can get some flux here and get some more solder on it. And done. So the pads for the port, for the charging port, have been soldered. And now we just put some solder on here. Just get it on here, and then I take another iron. Alright, come on. Okay. Okay. Done. You see that? Just turn around. Control. Looks pretty good, I think. Now we can just put some flux here and here. You could do it only by using the hot air and just putting the solder in before here. Would be no problem too. And then you can just set it into the solder. Doesn't make a difference. It's okay. Here on the front there were two pads before, but they normally always go away. like in this situation too. But that's not a problem. It will be fastened up in this way without any issues. So that's really clean, and the other side we will clean again. And as you can see, okay, just for the flux going away, and I think this looks really good. Okay, let's check for fully working charging function. So go in here. That's nice. So that fits. If you want the next time, I can show it to you with completely using only hot air. Just having a look. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And now I just want to see if that phone wants to charge again. So where is the USB-C charging cable? Perhaps here? These are bad cables. I know that they are only working sometimes. I can take another one. I think this cable doesn't work. I just take a good one. Where is the good one? Cable. Here. Here we got a good cable. This one into the basket. That one into the charger, and waiting a short time, and we got current flow 460 milliamps. That's just normal on Samsung until we got some time charged, and then you will see some percentage, but it charges like you see. Successful repair. Okay, so we need to wait until this phone charged up. While that, I just get the screws in. Perhaps we can see some percentage, but it takes some time until you see some percentage. On the Samsung devices it charges only about 400 milliamps, and after you see some percentage it goes up to about 1 amp. So I get in the screws. After that I completely clean the frame, completely clean the back cover, put a new adhesive on it and get it down. I use original Samsung adhesive. I don't use clue like B7000 or T7000. We always use here in the company new clue sticks, original Samsung, for getting them phones back assembled together. So all the screws in. And you can see we are still waiting for some percentage, but that's not a problem. The phone is charging. Nice repair, just a USB-C port on an iPhone, on a Samsung Galaxy A520f. I hope you liked the video. It's a small thing, but every technician should know how to solve problems like this. If you want to learn things like this, you can easily do that in Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. I'm out. By the way, buy the new ICC Pro. It will be available within the next days. So just do the pre-order now. An amazing tool which every technician in the world needs. I'm out. Boom! Back to life again. Yours Ben. Have a nice day.